Earning less than 30,000 rupee per month? Don't worry, this video will show you exactly how to budget smartly and build wealth with any income. First, know where your money goes. Track your spending for one full month. Use simple tools like Notion, Google Sheets, or apps like Walnut. Now apply the 50-30-20 rule, even with 25,000 rupees. 50% for needs, rent, food is equal to 12,500 rupees. 30% for wants, shopping, fun is equal to 7,500 rupees. 20% savings investment is equal to 5,000 rupees. If even that seems tight, try the 70-20-10 rule. 70% essentials, 20% goals, 10% fun. It's okay to adjust, but never skip savings. Pay yourself first. The day your salary comes in, move 1,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees to an SIP or RD. This builds the habit before temptation kicks in. Cut hidden drains. Eating out daily. Unused subscriptions. Unnecessary cabs. Small changes is equal to big savings over time. Emergency fund. Build 1 to 2 months of expenses. Even 1,000 rupees per month adds up. Keeps you safe without credit card traps. Invest wisely. Start with low-risk SIPs or index funds. Even 500 rupees per month compounds into lakhs if consistent. Don't compare your salary. Compare your savings rate and discipline. That's what builds wealth. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how smartly you manage it. Like, share, and subscribe to SaveSmart India for more tips.